Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to improve code using Laravel Eloquent model. So let's get started with the example. So in this example I have a list of users and I just want to display the active users. Same thing, if I view it, I just want to display the active users only. So if you go to the code, if I go to the controller, you can see that I simply add the where condition, like where active equal to 1. Same thing when I going to show, at the time also I display the where active 1. So instead of this we can use where x, like then what we have to do in this case, we just need to add like column name active and just add the value. That means active column should have one value, that and then that records will be displayed. Same thing here, like active, and just need to add the value. So you can see that it save it, and let me refresh it here. You can see fourth number records are not coming. Same thing, if I view it, you can see that it display properly. If I add like inactive record id and hit refresh, you can see that it's redirect back to the users table. So you can see that it's much clear, and you can use that. It's small tips, but you can make it better coding with the Laravel Eloquent. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, then subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching.